already did that. I already did that. I already did that. I already did that.
Believe it.
Welcome back.
Welcome back, Fly Vegans. I'm excited because today we're making a Cajun boil.
Oh wow. She ready.
So the first thing I want to do is cut up some ears of corn. I'm going to cut them into threes. Slice some red onion. Quarter a lemon. Before I started to cut my veggies, I put my pot on to boil so it should be ready by the time I'm done. Slice the Beyond Meat sausage in half. Now it's time to add the seasoning. I'm using a generous amount of Cajun seasoning, some Old Bay, garlic powder, add the Zaterans liquid crab oil concentrate, bay leaves, and you guessed it, vegan butter. So after you put all the seasoning in, you're going to add all of your vegetables, the potatoes, onion, lemon, and corn. I'm going to let this boil on high heat for about 35 minutes. Okay, now I'm going to add the Beyond sausage, and I want to cook those for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to remove this from the heat, and I'll let this sit for 15 minutes before serving. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with a friend, and don't forget
To subscribe.